y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Okie. I'm Okie. Today we are going to make chicken dipping sauce to the likes of like what they have at Rasin Canes or at Zaxby's, KFC, etc. Everybody's got their own chicken dipping sauce, and we're going to make one here so that you can have some at home and you don't have to go out to eat when you decide you want chicken dipping sauce to go with some fried chicken. But first off, we're going to start with our mayo. And we need 1 cup of mayo. I like to do this over the bowl, that way if anything spills, it goes in the bowl. Now we're done with our cup. We're just about done with our spatula here. Just want to get the excess mayo off as best I can. I just use a whisk to do that. So we don't need to dirty up more stuff, but we're not done with that, so we're just going to set it aside. So now we're done with the mayo. Next up, we are going to do our dry ingredients. So it's our pepper. And it's going to be a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Next up, we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of hot sauce, and it can be any hot sauce. If you like really spicy, go really spicy. If you like mild, go mild. It's whatever you want. And I got a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And finally, 1/3 cup of ketchup. Gotta love the infantile fart sounds that a bottle of ketchup makes. Remember I said don't get rid of your rubber spatula? There'd be reasons. Alright, now we'll set that back aside. We're done with all of our measuring utensils, so you can set those aside. Next, all you got to do is take a whisk in your mixing bowl here, whisk it all up. And you want to just keep going until it's really well incorporated. And I like to make sure to ride up on the sides a little bit with the whisk, that way you catch any of the seasoning that likes to hide up there in the very beginning of the process. And that's it. The last step you want to do before you serve it is you want to chill it. So get it into one of the mason jars or something like that. Just stick it in the back of the fridge for a few hours, let it chill down real good before you serve it. And that's all, guys. We have a simple chicken dipping sauce. We'll catch you next time.